What I have here are some tangency systems for the AC75s. So these parts are critical for the boats because there is a tangency system for each pair of battens. So on the boat, there is up to 11 of these. They sit high in the rig where the center of gravity is high. So weight is critical for the teams on these to get that as low as possible. Here I have our first prototype that we supplied a team. The brief for this was that it was just robust and did not fail, so they could test other systems on the boat. We then took to this design and refined it to this here. That refinement process, we worked with our design engineers using FEA, finite element analysis, which is a computer simulation of the exact laminate, and applying a load to it to find out where it's going to fail. We then batched that up with some physical testing. Here is a bridge that has been tested, and we can see it's at a failure point here. This has validated our FEA of how the component would fail. In this process, which we worked through with our composites experience, we're able to align the different modes of failure to the same load to optimize weight for these components. On top of just the bridge design was the pins. This was first version here, a metal pin. We've refined it to have a lightweight composite tube and metal sleeves where the shear load is taken to minimize weight. We've also made use, replacing some of the foam core in the tangency system with a tube made out of high modulus fiber to take the compression load at this specific part of our tangency plate. The last key part to this solution was the collaboration with the team. So whilst there was a lot of engineering challenges with this product, we also had to consider how it was being used on the boats in a high time pressure situation. So working with the team on that was important. It was also a component that interacted with many other components on the boat. So we had to work with the teams to make sure that everything seamlessly connected with each other. We can see the results of all these developments of our products and the work the CUP teams are doing in the performance of the boats. They're constantly exceeding their own expectations and setting new records. With almost 30 years of composite experience, we can help you find the best solution.